my god, you killed him.
Yeah, he got blasted. Oh!
You killed him.
Shit!
That's it. That's it.
Oopsie. Oopsie. Whoa, sir. Whoa. Whoa, stop.
What, did I hit you? Oh my god, I found him. Oh no,
Oh!
I found Betty.
Oh! Oh, Betty. Oh, flip.
Betty, I can't control him. I can't control
No,
him.
no, no, no.
Oh no. Oh, he attacks the zombies too. He attacks
Oh, wait.
zombies.
Is he? I can't grab him. What is
Me
this
neither.
music? Wait. Jax,
Where'd he go?
with our combined
Oh, he's attacking the rebels. He's
With
attacking the rebels.
with our
Oh
combined
no.
power, do you think we could just kill him? Alright, I got the minigun. What's that reach?
Think he has half a hitbox?
Oh, considering how we can't pick him up, he might not. Why's he going for me?
Yeah.
Why's he going for me?
Yeah, you hit me a little bit like through him.
Oh! Jackson, I'm scared.
It's Betty Fazbear.
Stay away, Betty. I don't want you, Betty.
Oh my god. Oh, he doesn't like water. Get in the water.
Quick, Jax, he can't get us if we're in... He can get us if we're in the water. He can get us if we're in the water.
Wait, no. Oh crap. Oh. Okay, he's not very accurate with the jumps. Oh, that was close.
What's Freddy gonna do about this, huh? How do you turn? Wait. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oopsie. I kinda should have figured that would happen. Watch this though, watch this. Oh yeah, W fly hack, W fly hack. And Freddy's on me. And Freddy's on me.
It's okay, man. I got you. It's okay. I'm gonna save you. I'm here to save you.
Oh, hey, Jax. Where's Freddy? Wait.
I don't know.
As a peace offering. As a peace
Please.
offering. It's a peace offering.
You gotta pick me up.
I'm dead.
Oh yeah. Hold on. I wonder how he'll react if I turn on the world spawner again.
Oh, wait. That's actually a really good point. I wonder... Oh.
Okay, the zombies just spawning. Where is Freddy? Okay.
That's a really good question. That's a really good question.
Get him on.
Oh. This way, this way, this way.
Oh, I'm pretty sure a lot. Oh, do not go in there.
Not in the white room. Not in the white room. I'm gonna go in the mirror room. It's the mirror room, right? This is not the mirror room.
This is literally look over there.
Oh, this is the mirror room.
He can't find us down here,
Yeah.
especially with all the zombies, right?
Probably not.
Why do I feel like those death noises are getting louder? There's a couple zombies over here. Okay, I have an idea. We're gonna make a barricade.
Barricade of what? That's a good point.
There, I welded it.
Alright, let me try and find some stuff. Spawnables.
Oh my
Hey,
God,
he broke the wood!
He broke.
Juke! Oh, I just took his ankles. I just took his ankles.
Oh my God! No, I think. Can he just pass through obstacles?
No, he broke it. He literally knocked it off the wall.
No, another fence. Oh, by the way, if you like left, right, left. I don't know. There's something. One of the mouse buttons. You can like You can what is it?
What? Oh.
Like.
Which one's the adjust button?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out myself.
Cause I'm trying to figure out how to like slightly adjust it, like up or down. I thought it was the arrow keys, but that didn't do nothing. Alright, Jax. If things go bad, we drop this fence behind us.
All right.
Hey, I start spawning any stuff. All right. Let's get this crate. This crate.
That's
Um, let's get a bathtub in here. Actually, we can have a Diddy party. Is he behind? Oh, he. Oh, shoot!
he did not. He did not like. He was not a big fan of. Alright, you see that nerd over there?
I'm looking at that nerd. Jack,
Don't
spawn
worry
a bunch of
about
them
it.
and spawn like 10 of them.
Hold on, what?
Spawn a whole.
Spawn what?
Spawn a bunch
A fetties?
of fetties. Spawn a bunch of fetties. Oh, that's
Actually, I wonder if I could put them in the NPC spawner.
that would be a terrible idea. That would be a horrible idea.
Oh my god, they're in the mirror room.
I might have let them in there. Are you spawning more? Why are they still coming? Why are they still
I
coming?
put them in the NPC spawner.
Why would you do that? I'm in the white room. I'm in the white room.
Oh my god.
What are you spawning here? What are these? Why are they spawning in here? Why are they spawning in here? Why are they spawning in here? Oh, flip. Wait, can I get up
Yo,
here?
hold up. Dude, what? Look at me, bro.
Oh no, they just
Look
spawned up
at
there.
me.
Why are they spawning up there? Why are they spawning up there? Why are they spawning up there? They don't spawn on this roof though. They spawn on that roof.
Oh no. Yeah, I'm getting. Oh, it fell off the roof. I'm on one of the rooftops.
I'm so scared.
Oh no! They're getting.
My ears, I can't take it anymore.
I think this is a perfectly healthy amount of fetties.
I died on spawn. I died. Jingle's broken, Betty. You suck, Betty. Oh, Betty, you a beast. Betty, your mom's gay. Betty, your mom's gay. Okay.
I've hit the vehicles limit. What do you mean vehicles limit? I think. Oh my god, please don't tell me this Betty is a vehicle.
Betty, please. Betty, please. Betty, please.
Oh. Hey.
What if I just sit? Whoa.
Yo, I made it.
Anyway. Come at me, Betty. Come on, Betty. Whoa. I just got ganked. No. Gotta hit them in their stomach. I can't. Like that literally hit. I'm about to start singing. I'm about to start singing Weezer. He's immortal. Look, the song's a bop.
How does
That's
it
it.
feel knowing there's a madman in the sky?
Who's more behind me? But are you a madman or are you just a man who's mad? What are they doing? Why are they running? Wait.
They're probably trying to get me.
They're not,
I
cause
swear to
they're.
God, bro. First see any fetties pop out of the ground. Hey, I'm gonna head down there, see if there's any trying to jump in.
Flip.
Oh no, man. Okay, I'm starting to think there's. Oh, wait,
I just sniped him in the air and he didn't disappear.
where are they congregating at? Oh, I see you.
I got
Hey.
most of them.
Oh. Ah!
I I'm clicking all
Where,
over him.
oh, that's not
That's
the
the wrong.
one. Oh, hey, man.
Look, I'm like Tevin. I'm like Tevin. Give me
Oh,
your
you like?
money. This is a robbery. This
Oh,
is a robbery. This is a robbery.
that's
Give me your money.
funny.
Ah!
That's, that's funny. You got killed by Satan. I don't think Tevin acts like that, man. I think that's a little racist.
Ah! I just rocket jumped on top of
How
you.
did I live? How did I live?
How did we both live?
That's crazy.